Before working on any firearm, make sure the magazine is empty and removed. Also make sure the chamber is empty and the firearm is unloaded. This is the Micromag 9mm 22 TCM combo kit. The 9mm barrel is installed in the firearm now. First, remove the magazine and make sure the firearm is empty. Once clear, we can begin the disassembly process. To do this, start by lining up the slide stop notch with the slide stop. Rotate the slide back and push from underneath to remove the pin. Bring the gun back to the battery position. Now we will remove the slide from the frame. Pull the slide forward to remove it from the frame. As you do this, cup your hand underneath and keep pressure on the guide rod and spring to capture the spring. Remove the spring and guide rod. Now remove the barrel bushing and the recoil plug. To do this, push the plug in and rotate the bushing clockwise. Go through the spring tunnel and push forward, removing the plug. Rotate the bushing counterclockwise until the notch is free from the slide. Pull forward on the barrel. Remove the bushing and the current 9mm barrel. To clean the firearm, lightly blow it out with compressed air. Clean the rails, breech face, and locking lugs for the barrel. Make sure they are all clear of debris. Then apply a light lubricant with a Q-tip on the rails and barrel lugs only. Pay special attention to not get any lubricant on the breech face area or the extractor area. Once the pistol is lubed, you will reassemble the pistol with the TCM barrel and recoil spring. Remove the guide rod from the 9mm spring and set it aside with the 9mm barrel. Grab the 22 TCM spring and insert it into the guide rod. Take the TCM barrel and add it to the slide. Take the barrel bushing and line the notch upwards towards the recoil spring tunnel. Insert the bushing and rotate it clockwise. Make sure the barrel link is rotated towards the back. Now you can install the recoil spring and the guide rod. Once accomplished, bring the link forward. Grab the frame. Line up the rails and slide it on. Take the slide stop and put it in the slide stop hole. Rotate the slide back until you get to the disassembly notch. Push in, move the slide forward, and put the firearm in the safety position with the thumb safety. Set the barrel up and away from you. Insert the recoil spring plug onto the spring. Collapse the spring, push down on the plug, and rotate the barrel bushing counterclockwise until it lines up with the notch. Now you can take the gun off safe. Make sure the slide is moving back and forth correctly. That is the disassembly of the Micromag 9mm 22 TCM combo kit.